The kind of history students come onto our course are usually inspired by what they've seen on TV, what they've seen in museums, maybe what they've read. They usually want to explore that further and take that further in different ways. So on the history degree, we cover a range of subjects from around about 1485 to the present, so early modern and modern. There's a local Welsh context, there's a wider European context, and then we go into the global context, and you can do anything from witchcraft to the nuclear age. The students get to learn how to do research. We teach them to communicate well. We have a range of different assessments that we do, so it's not just essays. We do digital mapping, we use wikis, we use podcasting, we use presentations, and they also get to engage with employers in their second year through the work-based learning module. History students can go in placements in things you'd expect, museums, education, archives, but they can do other things as well. So recently we've had students do their placements in human resources management, in supply chain management. So they've got something to talk about on their CVs and in their applications when they make those for a graduate career.